Hi everyone. So today I will tell you about the SVM, which is also called the support vector machine in the machine learning, and it is used for both classification and regression models. Support vector machine. Okay. Actually, this algorithm is for both regression and classification. Both classification regression problems in the machine learning. And for to implement this, my first step will be extract data. Second step, we know EDA, which is also called explanatory data analysis. And third step is feature extraction. Fourth step is model building. The fifth step, model evaluation. The final step will be my result visualization. Visual. This is the steps that required to build an SVM. In the next video, I will explain how to do that. So stay tuned. And if in doubts in the previous videos in logistic regression, multilinear or simple linear regression, let me know in the comments.